shit. Keep her nails done, hair done, bag on thick. Pretty girl got her own whip. Pretty girl got her own grip. Pretty girl got her own shit. Keep her nails done, hair done, bag on thick.
What's up, Fierce gang? I'm Tash Fierce and welcome back to my channel. If you're new, hi, hello, welcome. Click the subscribe button and join the gang. So in today's video, I'll be showing y'all how I did these on my own, and if and all your grip game them so good, because you know, yeah, so if this a grip game and so good, this video is so good for you and you find it helpful, because of the first me ever a braid ear overall in my life. And I can't even cornrow, whatever y'all call it, I can't do that. So if me can do this, you if you can do this too. Sadly, I did start my hair before thinking that, yo, let me just record this, because I never expect me to part my hair so well, like, guys. I never expect it. I actually used all braids, like my hair was braided like twists by a professional, and I actually saved those braids because I was going to do like a big plait, like a big ponytail. I actually have new braids, but I can't what it called, mix ear. Yeah, whenever I try to mix it, but here so all I do is just like go so with the ends. Probably check out another video if you see how they mix it. But I use the old braids. I use these, they were twists, I just comb them out. When I twist my hair, I think I used 4 packs and more than half of the ear leaves. So I guess 2 pack of expression can use and achieve this look. Like the length, I'm 5'4", and it's at my booty. So, and the ear was cut in 2. So 2 packs of expression could do it because my head big. Yeah, so 2 packs I can do your ear. Alright, let's get into this video. This is not a tutorial, I'm just going to show you what I did, because this is the first, as I said earlier. As you can see, my ear is already sectioned, but basically you're doing mini ponytails, and this do take time. Remember, patience is key, don't rush. To make it easier, use 2 mirrors, one behind and one in front. So for items that you'll need are as follows: crochet needle / hook, rubber band, ear wax / pomade, and braids. I'm using old braids, but you can go ahead and use your new braids. Guys, I don't want to pull this out, but it took me a hot minute. So basically, after you section your hair, you put some gel on it. Hold it firmly, put the lasket on it. You're probably going to need to use a little toothbrush to brush it in, hold it firmly, and then lasket it. Like, it's like a ponytail. You're doing a ponytail basically. So I'm going to show you how I do this. And as I said, I'm using all braids. So this is one of the old braids. This is what it looked like, and I combed it out because it was in a twist. So I'm going to put this first in, like I'm using 2 of that, because it is harder. No, it's harder to, I don't want to start at the front, I'm going to start at the side here. Where's my, okay, so my hand. So you take the crochet needle, you close it, you pull it through your hair. Oh, it's open and pull it through. You kind of twine this up. Put it on the, oh my god, I can't see. I can't see. Oh my god. So it's basically closed, and you just wait, pull it back through. Guys, I really cannot see. I'm looking through this small screen to do my hair. And remember, I ain't a pro. I'm a beginner. And then I pull one end through. And then you tighten this back. Then you're going to take another hair. So this is my next victim. I'm going to comb it out with the comb. This is dirty, so I don't want to show it. I'm going to comb it out with this and then brush it through. This is what it looks like after I combed it out. I'm going to take a brush. Oh my, I'm all over the place. I'm going to take a brush and brush it out. And that's it. Then repeat the same thing again. This through, and I do. It's open, yep. Take this. Guys, a big Kingston with your ear. Rooster, a fight, gonna make nice. And you're going to take a hair from the bottom. One of the braiding hair, and you're going to wrap it firmly around this. Like, you can also tighten it here. I'm a girl that loves, you know, love things tight. So some edges they might leave me. That's enough. So this is the same piece that I was wrapping around, and I'm just, where's my real hair? So this is my real hair. Where is it? I'm going to section it out into 3 so it matches 3 pieces. Guys, I have to go up to the mirror to see what I'm doing, so I'm sorry. So the section it in 3, and then basically you just braid. I'm trying to get a better angle so bad. Okay, so I'm gonna do one more in camera, and then y'all on your own. Period. I'm gonna do one here. I think at the front, I'm gonna try to do them invisible. Maybe I don't know what I go on. So if I do the one invisible and you don't come out good, I pull it out. But if I do it invisible and it come out good, I come back and show you I'm doing it invisible. So I pre-prepared the hairs. This one kind of walk over my sweet, okay. But I pre-prepared the hairs. Let's go. Your crochet needle. Close it. So now, since y'all are up top, take the crochet needle, close it, and you push it through the hair. Open up. Take it here. Twine it a bit so it can fit. Why am I talking so low? Take the hair so it can fit. I might just do a voice over if this is too low. You take one side and pull only one side through. Okay, and then even it out. And then you're gonna do that for another braid because it's too thin like this and you don't like it. Okay, so for the other one, you're gonna do the same thing. Then you're going to take a braid. Oh, this is my hair. Oh my god. A braid. I like to take it from underneath, but when like here, it's not really there. Like there's not really any underneath right now. But still, right here, about this size, just for a better grip. So that the elastic don't get loose quickly. Okay, so this is what it looks like after I finish wrapping it. So I'm going to just take that piece, put it over here. Alright, never mind that. Take that piece and then look for my hair to use my hair to mix in it now. So this is mine. Put a bit over here and then take some of the braid with it. Then do the same here. Alright, so then we'll just plait. Guys, so this is 2 days after. I have flying ear, so my ear easy for root up, so I put gel on it like twice and it literally still a root up. And I'm transitioning, so can't go with me. So this is it. I did put some beads on the end. I'm going to include some pics so you can see it better. But what I wanted to say, oh yeah, for the top I did go ahead and didn't do the wrap. I didn't wrap it because I wanted to lay flat, so that's why I did not do the wrap. It's simply same thing I do, just don't do the wrap part if you want yours to lay flat. And don't mind my makeup, just I can't bother. Anyway, so that's it. I think the beads are cute, so I won't say it's optional. You better put some bead on it. Anyways, that's it for today's video. I hope you guys find this helpful, found this easy, because me can't braid braid the first ever braid in my life, and me do it, so of course you can do it too. Thanks for watching. Bye. Oh, remember to subscribe, yeah?